Hello learners, today we will discuss the meaning of person in income tax. Person under section 2 subsection 31. The term person includes an individual, Hindu undivided family, company, firm, association of persons, body of individuals whether incorporated or not, local authority and artificial juridical person. Individual. An individual means a natural person, being a human being, whether male, female, major or minor, child or lunatic. Hindu undivided family. HUF means members of that family are lineally descended from a common ancestor, which means that the male member of that family belongs to a common ancestor and includes their wives and unmarried daughters, and also a stranger who has been adopted by family members. The members are called co-partners and they are entitled to demand their share on the partition of the family. Elder member or senior-most member of the family is the head of the family, known as Karta or manager of the family. It is a Karta who is accessible for income tax on behalf of his or her family members. For income tax purposes, a family must consist of at least 2 members and have a common ancestral property. Members can be husband and wife or all persons lineally descended from common ancestors, including their wives and unmarried daughters, brothers only, or widows of the members of the family can constitute a HUF. This relationship is governed by Hindu law, and in Hindu law there are 2 schools of HUF, that is Mitakshara school and Dayabhaga school. In Mitakshara school, a son acquires a right in his father's ancestral property by mere birth. It applies to whole India except Bengal, Assam and some parts of Odisha. But in Dayabhaga school, son can get a right in his father's ancestral property only after the death of his father. It applies in Bengal, Assam and some parts of Odisha. After the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, effective from September 9, 2005, Hindu family governed by Mitakshara law, the position of daughter has been changed, that is, daughter shall become a co-partner in her own right in the same manner as the son enjoys. She will have all rights and liabilities as the son have. At the time of partition, female heir can demand partition of the property in the same manner as a son. Now we will discuss the meaning of company. A company is an artificial person registered under Indian Companies Act 1956 or any other act having its own legal entity. Shares carrying limited liability, perpetual succession and a common seal. According to section 2 subsection 17, a company may be an Indian company or any body corporate incorporated under the law of foreign country, or any institution, association or body whether incorporated or not and whether Indian or non-Indian, declared by a journal or special order of Central Board of Direct Taxes to be a company. For example, Reliance Industries Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Tata Motors, etc. are the examples of a company. Firm. A firm means a partnership firm registered under Partnership Act 1932. It is an entity and comes into existence by an agreement between 2 or more persons to share profits or bear losses of the business being carried on by all or any one that is active member of them. In the Income Tax Act, a firm has its own separate entity and can be of 2 types. A firm which fulfills the conditions prescribed under section 184. A firm which does not fulfill the conditions prescribed under section 184. From income tax point of view, a limited liability partnership constituted under Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 is also treated as a firm. Now, an association of persons. It means when two or more persons joins together to carry on a joint enterprise, but without forming partnership firm for common purpose of earning income. And AOP may consist of individuals, male, female, minor, major, even firms, association or more than one association, and company or more than two or more than two companies. In simple terms, AOP can be formed by two or more individuals. AOP may be formed with the help of individual plus one firm or two or more firms, or AOP may be constituted by one firm or two or more firms in collaboration with the company or more than one or two companies. Or we can say that AOP may be constituted with the individual, firm or company. Examples are Markfed, cooperative societies, Housefed, Nefed, etc. Body of individuals. Body of individual can be formed with a group of individuals who come together by chance to earn income. BOI can be formed only with the natural human beings as its members. This is the basic difference between association of person and body of individual. In other words, it cannot be formed with the firm or with AOP or with a company as its members. So we can say that body of individuals can be constituted with the help of individual, that is male or female, or any other individuals. Meaning thereby that firms or companies or associations cannot be a part of BOI. Now, local authority. A local authority includes municipality, municipal corporation, cantonment board, port trust, district boards, district councils, village panchayats, etc. Artificial juridical person, a public corporation established under special act of legislature and a body having its own juristic personality are known as artificial juridical person. Example, universities, IDOL, DITI, Reserve Bank of India. These are the examples of artificial juridical person. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.